Summer combo of the day. Alright, so ito ang ating combo for today. Si Armaf Club de Nuit Iconic. Alright, and i-combine natin siya with Volair Arctic Breeze. So si Club de Nuit Iconic, of course, is your dupe of Bleu de Chanel. Alright, and si Arctic Breeze naman is your LV Imagination. So pagsasamahin natin sila today, and let's see kung ano yung kakalabasan ng ating combination. Alright, so si Club de Nuit is more of citrusy and as well as may pagka-ginger ng ating notes combination. Alright, baka talaga na ito ni Club de Nuit. Grabe. Woo! Amoy pa lang, unang spray pa lang, amoy na. So, inuna natin siya sa ating red twist, and then sa Arctic Breeze din naman, mag-spray tayo isa. Okay? Hindi siya tamama. Sorry. Alright. And, okay, so, ano nga ba yun? Oh, combination na to. Grabe. Wow. Grabe. The ginger notes of Club de Nuit Iconic, and then yung citrus niya humalo sa black tea ni Arctic Breeze. Ang ganda, ang refreshing, ang ganda ng combination ng citrus notes niya, and yung tea and ginger na pinagsama mo, ay grabe. Kakaiba tong combination na to. Very refreshing, very uplifting na amoy yung combination ng dalawang ito. So, I think natalo na naman yung ating recently recommended na combination. Grabe to. I highly recommend that you go ahead and try this combination. So, if you have any kind of dupe na BDC and also ni Imagination, you can go ahead and try it out as well, right? And let me know kung ano yung experience nyo, alright? So, leave a comment down below and let me know kung nagustuhan nyo itong mga itong ating suggestion of combination for today. Okay? So, yan na muna ang ating combination or layering combination for today. I'll do another one soon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!